Here is a fashion pick that is both cute and classy. Fashion shoulder crossbody bag with rhombus embroidered strap. This charming small square bag is a total showstopper. With a rhombus embroidered white strap, it blends elegance with playfulness. Compact yet roomy, it's ideal for everyday use. From casual strolls to brunch dates. The color options are trendy and versatile, and the crossbody design means convenience and hands-free style all day long. It's a hit among young fashionistas and college students, making it perfect for stores targeting Gen Z and millennial women. This masterpiece fits perfectly into the women's everyday fashion accessories niche. Sleek, trendy, and always in demand. Market trends reveal a stylish gap. The selling price of this beauty is just $29.99. The cost is $7.43, and with shipping at $4.28, you're looking at a healthy $18.28 profit. The next product is made for ladies who carry it all. In style, fashion, tote bag, large capacity, shoulder, handbag, meet the everyday essential that's anything but basic. This fashion tote bag is large, lightweight, and perfect for daily commuting, college, or shopping trips. Designed for modern women on the go, it fits everything from laptops to lunchboxes while keeping your look on point. It screams minimalist chic and fits easily into casual or semi-formal wardrobes. A true essential from the commuter lifestyle and college fashion niche, this tote brings both utility and chic appeal. The data shows this product sits in a low competition. You can list this gem at $34.99. with the cost of $8.22 and shipping at $4.42, you'll enjoy over $22.00 in profits per order. A high-margin item with mass market appeal? Yes, please. Now let's step into something soft, fluffy, and oh so comfortable. Fluffy fall and winter furry slippers for women. Nothing says cozy like slipping your feet into these plush indoor slippers. Designed for those chilly mornings and relaxed evenings at home, these padded fleece slippers are soft, warm, and irresistibly cute. They're not only comfortable but stylish enough to gift, especially popular in the winter season and during gift-giving holidays. These cozy companions belong to the winter home comfort and loungewear niche where warmth meets playful design. Although the winter wear space is busy, this plush standout has minimal direct rivals and a clear path to viral potential. This cozy treat can be sold for $24.99. Your cost is $4.10 with shipping at $5.77. That gives you a smooth $15.00 plus profit. Here comes a product that's truly out of this world. Spaceman Starry Sky Projection Lamp. This isn't just a lamp, it's a vibe. Turn any room into a galaxy with this adorable spaceman projector. Kids, teens, and even adults will fall in love with its dreamy ambient lighting and rotating space visuals. It's perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or relaxing corners. Plus, its design makes it a unique gift that combines sci-fi charm with practical function. A celestial gem from the home ambience and novelty lighting niche, it's decorative, giftable, and unforgettable. Despite its interstellar charm, the market hasn't caught up. Low competition and rising gift season demand make this a hot pick. Set the mood and sell it for $39.99. Your sourcing cost is just $9.60, with $5.25 in shipping, giving you a stellar profit margin of $25.00 plus a fantastic pick for TikTokers and cosmic decor lovers. Spooky season is calling, and this product answers with a ghostly grin. Halloween ghost doll plush toy add a dose of cuteness to the creepy season. This Halloween ghost doll plush toy is soft, cuddly, and perfect for themed gifts, party favors, or Halloween decor. It's a kid-friendly twist on spooky and makes a great seasonal upsell for toy or costume stores. Easy to market with fun, spooky video creatives. Straight from the seasonal toys and spooky collectibles niche, this one adds charm to Halloween shelves everywhere. Seasonal searches show it's still flying under the radar. The perfect low-competition product to surprise Halloween shoppers. This adorable ghoul can be priced at $19.99. Your cost is $3.80, and shipping is $3.90, so you're pocketing over $12.00 in profit for every phantom you sell. Beautiful margins for a limited time bestseller. Speaking of spooky, this next cycle takes Halloween up 10 next level. animated floating skeleton Halloween decoration. Terrify the neighborhood in the best way with this ultra-realistic floating skeleton. With spooky sounds and lifelike design, it's a guaranteed hit for haunted houses and yard displays. It's battery operated and lightweight, so it's easy to install and even easier to scare with. This is a Halloween showstopper that social media loves. Thrilling and frightening product lands in the animated Halloween props and haunted decor niche, ideal for horror lovers and party planners. The spooky decor scene is packed, but this floating skeleton with sound and motion features has few equals, rare and in demand. The selling price should float around $42.99, with a base cost of $11.80 and shipping at $7.10. You got a ghoulishly good profit of $24.00 plus, perfect for creators who love Halloween prank videos. And now for a little something that shines in the dark. Halloween glow in the dark spider necklace. This luminous spider necklace isn't just creepy cool. It actually glows at night, ideal for Halloween parties, clubbing, costume accessories, or spooky night outs. This unisex necklace brings eerie style to any outfit. It fits into both jewelry and seasonal categories and makes a fantastic impulse buy. A glowing star from the Halloween nightwear and statement jewelry niche. Great for parties, clubs, and costume nights. Market trends show a lack of eye-catching Halloween accessories like this, making it a hidden gem in a seasonal goldmine. You can light it up for $14.99. Product cost is $1.22 with shipping at $2.45, giving you a glowing $11.00 plus profit. A perfect item to stack during Halloween flash sales and bundles.